Hey everybody, Brian Rashley, General Manager here at Bayside Resort Golf Club. I am with Christy. I have Erica, special guest, and we are here to talk about all things Bayside Institute for the month of October, which I hear is a very big month for us.
Yes, we are excited. We have a double-page flyer for you of events. Very much looking forward to our wellness month. We did it last year. It was a big hit, so we're excited about what the classes are going to offer you this month coming up. And we have a very special celebration coming up.
We do. We're celebrating 10 years with the Institute here at Bayside. So we're inviting you October 24th at 4 p.m. It's going to be an open party, and you'll be able to see the new gallery wall, which will be photographs of the past 10 years with the Institute. Grab a scoop of ice cream from Miss Eleanor with Blue Scoop, maybe even toast with some champagne. But we're excited to see you there to celebrate 10 years.
All right, awesome. So if you want to check out the whole lineup, just go to BaysideInstitute.com and register today.